Everybody, Mrs. Radke here. So today we're going to be making a square spirograph. So again, with these spirographs, you can always do these with the embroidery thread and embroidery needle and cardstock. But what I'm going to be showing you, since we are online this year, is actually doing this with colored pens and a ruler. So you should have a template that looks similar to the one that I have here on the board, and then you'll need to get your other materials. Like I said, you can use colored pencils, you can use colored pens, and then you'll need a ruler. I would really not recommend using crayons or fat markers. If you have fine tip markers, those would be perfectly fine. So for this one, I'm actually going to use 4 different colors just because there's 4 different sides to my square. So I'm going to be using a different color as we go around and do each one, so it's easier for me to keep track of. But you are welcome to do 1 color, or like I said, you can do 4 different colors, you can do 2 different colors. Totally up to you how you want to do this. All right, so we're going to start out here. So this is very similar to the parabolic spirograph that we did earlier. So with this one, I'm going to start out with this same shape like we did with our parabolic spirograph, and I'm going to do the same steps. So I'm going to go from 1 to 1, 2 to 2, and so on. And I'm going to be using my blue pen for this one. We'll just go ahead and connect all 14 of those. Take your time, make nice straight lines. Make sure you line up your ruler. So going all the way around, making this nice curve. And the last one is from 14 to 14. Oh, I went a little farther. Okay, so that's my blue. So then I'm going to switch colors. I'm going to go to my pink, and I'm actually just going to turn my page. And now I'm going to start with 1 here. I'm going to do the same thing, going around. Two to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4, all the way to 14 again. Make sure you're paying attention to what number you're on. And the last one is 14 to 14. All right, so there we go. So now you start seeing when these are overlapping, what's going to happen there. So again, I'm going to turn my page a quarter of a turn. I'm going to choose a different color. And I'm going to repeat the process. So going from 1 to 1 again. Two to two. Three to three. And these projects are kind of interesting because it's not the space where we're drawing the lines that we usually pay attention to. It's this negative space that's left when we're done. That's usually what we pay the most attention to. And I would really encourage you, if you do have embroidery thread and maybe your parents have a thicker embroidery needle, to try doing this on cardstock. It is a lot of fun to do it on cardstock and see the different designs that you can create. All right, so there's the third one. So that's the purple. I'm going to do one more quarter of a turn. All right. So then there's the design when we have all four sides of our square done. So it looks pretty cool when it's in four different colors there. Okay. All right, so that's what I have for the square. Like I said, you can do this just with colored pencils, or you can do this on cardstock with the embroidery thread and an embroidery needle. All right, that's all I have for you for the square. Join me back here for another Spirograph activity soon. See you later. Bye.